Nissan has introduced the 2025 Altima, which now features a simplified lineup powered exclusively by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing 188 horsepower. The biggest change is the removal of the previously available 2.0-liter turbocharged engine. For 2025, the Altima also offers a new SV Special Edition package for $1,090, which includes body color mirrors, a rear spoiler, a moonroof, 17-inch alloy wheels, and various interior upgrades like a 12.3-inch infotainment system and wireless smartphone charger. Additionally, the 2025 Altima SR offers a new bronze wheel option, and the base model now comes with an 8-inch infotainment display. Pricing for the 2025 Altima starts at $27,000, with an increase of $630 over the previous model. Customers will also receive a new maintenance program that covers up to 3 scheduled oil changes.